and welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Taylor Swift new album inspired hand-painted t-shirt. But first, let me tell you why I decided to make this video. Taylor Swift collaborated with Stella McCartney to create merch line. And if you don't know who is Stella McCartney, she is fashion designer and she has her own brand. And I was so excited about this collaboration because I was expecting to see creative merch. And you know, I have very complicated relationships with merch because I don't like most of the merch has ever been produced. And I even made video before. I showed how James Charles merch should look like. So I was very excited because it's a collaboration with fashion designers, so I was expecting to see something interesting, something creative. And when I saw this merch, I was disappointed. Like, again, names printed on t-shirts, photos of Taylor Swift, photos of her cat, like nothing creative. And you could use so many references from Taylor Swift's music videos, from her Instagram photos, so it's like a lost opportunity for me. And I decided to make this video and to create my own version of Taylor Swift merch t-shirt, and I will show you step-by-step process so you can follow it and you can create such t-shirt too, or you can paint on the sweatshirt, on the hoodie, and all you need is fabric paints and brushes. So let's get started. So here is the idea of the design inspired by Taylor Swift's new album cover, and I want to paint pink sky, clouds and heart. But heart I want to paint as a sun. I want it to shine and rays will come out of it. And also I think to paint a couple of butterflies because we can see a lot of butterflies in Taylor Swift's music videos and album previews images. And yeah, I want to create a crop top, so I'm gonna cut this t-shirt now. I will measure it first, how long I want it to be, and then I will take scissors and I will cut it, and then I will start painting. Okay, our crop top is ready to be painted and I will show you paints. I will use colors. By the way, video about fabric paints, all the information you can find in the description below. So I will use blue color, I will use white color, red color, I will mix it with white to create pink. This purple color, and by the way it's a shimmer color so it will shine a bit. And yeah, I will use turquoise color as well, and I will create beautiful pink, purple, blue sky. And I will use a big flat brush and water, and don't afraid to use water because the more water you will use, the easier it will be for you to blend colors into each other, and also the more watercolor effect your painting will have. And of course, you don't need mannequin to paint, you can paint on the table by fixing t-shirt on the cardboard. The upper part I will paint mostly with purple and blue colors, and to the lower part I will add more pink color. And to create fading color effect, a lower part I paint mostly with water, just a small amount of paint and a large amount of water. And as I don't want to paint back of the t-shirt, I create same fading color effect on the upper part. Ta-da! I call it the power of art fashion. Boring crop top turned into the unique designer piece of clothing. And I think that such dyeing effect is more interesting than tie-dye, because tie-dye is everywhere, but such dyeing effect has, handmade look. And even you will keep it like this, you won't paint anything else there. It's pretty amazing. But as we create Taylor Swift inspired crop top, I will paint now heart and clouds and all this romantic stuff. And again I use big flat brush and I make such soft tender touches, soft tender strokes with white and also pink and light purple colors. And now I will mix golden and yellow colors with white color, just a small amount of golden and yellow to the white to create a soft color for sun. And I paint heart, which will be a sun, and I fill it in with this color. And I put 2-3 layers of paint to make heart pop. And now I paint more detailed clouds which move over sun. And to create rays, I wipe my brush on rag to remove excess of paint and I make such outgoing strokes. And I also splatter paint using hard brush. And now I will paint 3 butterflies flying out of sun and I will paint them with this sun color. So the idea is that these butterflies are the sun's particles. And last touches, I just want to add a bit magic. And painting is finished! So guys, what I wanted to tell you with this video. By my humble opinion, there shouldn't be any names printed on merch or any photos, there shouldn't be anything such obvious, but rather something which will speak for itself. I mean, you will look on this t-shirt and you will say, yes, it's about Taylor Swift, it's about her new album, it's about her songs, it's about these feelings I have when I'm listening to these songs. It's about love, it's about romantic, and then such clothes will have a meaning for you. They will have some magic. But when you just slapping names and photos, this magic is kind of disappearing. What do you think? Write me your opinion in the comments below. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful for you. And if you liked it, smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.